What's good, YouTube, man? Y'all know it's your boy, Destroyer Motors. Another day, another vlog. So, yeah, man, we're about to shoot up to my boy TK baby reveal or gender reveal. So, that's the plan for today. And then after that, we got the street, the Surge spooky thing. So, it's something like that, but yeah. But yeah, man, shoot, I'm about to go grab some gas and meet up with them. And then I cut the camera back on when I get there, so. I'm late. I'll do that later.
Hey, how you pull this thing? Are we ready?
It's a black suit into the packet. 3, 2.
What's up, boys? Y'all alright?
Hey, I'm chilling.
What's up? Oh. God damn, that shit got in my mouth. Damn. I ain't know this shit was gonna do that. It got all on me. This nigga like a Smurf now.
Damn, that's crazy.
Damn.
Look at my legs.
Yeah, damn. Damn, my shit the same way.
Ain't even the same color no more.
Damn.
Bitch, you turned 80.
We done turned to the Smurf.
I done turned 80.
What's going on? The whips. Yeah, I pulled up late. That's why as soon as I got here, they was already doing it.
Little YouTube video.
You know what I'm saying? Something slight, something light. Huh? If you want, we'll make way for you. All right, man. So we threw at the baby shower. I keep saying baby shower. We threw at the gender reveal. So now we about to go to the spot in Dallas, the little spooky thing I was talking about. I got my boy last car behind me, drilling me. So yeah, if I can, I'll get a little roller of them on the freeway. But until then, either that or I get back on her when we get there. Got Mozzie behind the camera. Got the, you know what I'm saying? The camera, goddammit. Got him. Yeah. Say what's up, man.
Yo, what up? I'm tired, bro.
Tired.
My name is a pimp named Slickback, and I believe I may have misplaced some merchandise at this residence. There she is. Bitch, I hope you got the money to cover this little...
A pimp named Slickback. What a bitch better have?
A bitch better have my money.
God damn it. This nigga play too much. first time seeing one like up close. What a wide body one. I seen a slim body one.
What up, gang?
Yeah, what kind of motor this got again?
I just got the regular HELLCAT, man. Regular HELLCAT. 707 horsepower.
Damn, bro, that's what's up. What's up, bro? You alright?
Hey, what's your name, though?
Dallas.
Dallas?
Yeah.
Randy, man. Randy.
For sure, for sure.
Y'all just got here, right?
We've been here for, what time is it? Nah, we've been here for roughly
Shit, they got the whole trucks up there, too.
I don't know if they doing their own thing or with us. I don't know. Yeah. Oh. Oh man, wait, let me get me a water.
Wait, the police over there.
I just want a water, shit.
You hear me?
Yeah, I need it. Fuck it.
I seen it.
Appreciate it.
Y'all got some green.
They got some. You got some ice?
Some ice?
Yeah, you don't. It's alright. It's alright. It's all good. Appreciate you. Let me finish vlogging. This all got packed. Oh man, everybody here. That's what's up though. Imagine if all the crews came together, that should be hard. But it's gonna be hard, you know, everybody trying to be on the same page. I know that ain't I know that ain't Uncle Zoe. I know that ain't
I know that ain't that guy that just got that shit.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me,
Congratulations.
thanks you, my brother. I'm part of the VA crew now.
Congratulations.
Thank
My nigga.
you, man. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I ain't seen my boy in a minute.
Nah, for real. Cause you did say you was gonna chill for a second.
Excuse me, brother. First to the top. Congratulations on your new Bronco.
Thank you. She's beautiful.
Nah, this is nice.
You want some inside?
Yeah.
What made you switch?
Cause Ford better. Nah, I'm fucking with you. Oh yeah, that's
closer to my family, so the Scout was way too much to be. I can only drive that probably like 4 months in a year.
yeah.
So
Appreciate all y'all for real. Yeah, he over there smoking it up. God damn. Come on now. Still. My boy Austin.
Oh, yo.
Water cold as fuck.
Who is that? That's one of y'all? What is that charger had the eyes on it? That's the only nigga I see going.
another Bronco. Let me check out this Mustang. This honestly probably one of my favorite cars here. Yeah, it's hard. I ain't gonna lie, if I did a drag pack, it'll probably be these. My boy Davis put me on these. I'm hard. Man, look, my nigga got a HELLCAT Super Beat. This whole hard. That bitch sweet as hell. My nigga just playing shit at this point. Trying to see what else. I think we done covered all the cars. Yeah, here all. Let me check out this Mustang back here. A fellow 5.0. It's RT hard, it's blue. They crazy as hell. Yeah. Fellas. Me and my boy. My damn phone about to die and shit. Y'all should know. Y'all should really know half these cars. Oh, that's where they fucking up. Damn, 1, 2, 3. And they did. Damn, they even got the goddamn van on the motherfucker. I just want to see what's gonna happen. Yeah, why everybody leave? Man, that BMW was loud as hell. Another thing I noticed, I'm the only S650 here. Damn. Who shit is that? What they say Fez did a sweet. Damn.